Welcome to Dusseldorf. Today we're exploring a city where old-world charm meets modern style. From art and fashion to incredible food, Dusseldorf has it all. I'll be your guide as we discover the best spots, from historic streets to futuristic architecture. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious, get ready for an unforgettable adventure. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into Dusseldorf. Our first stop is the Altstadt, Dusseldorf's old town famously called the longest bar in the world. Picture cobblestone streets lined with over 260 pubs and breweries, buzzing with laughter and clinking glasses. Don't miss Alt beer, the city's signature dark beer, served in small glasses until you cover your drink with a coaster. The Altstadt is more than beer-admire gabled houses, the twisted spire of St. Lambertus Church, and charming squares. Wander past cozy cafes, unique shops, and the scent of roasting almonds. Every corner tells a story, and it's easy to lose track of time in this lively heart of Dusseldorf. What a way to start our trip. After the Altstadt, stroll along the Rheinuferpromenade, Dusseldorf's scenic riverside walkway. Here, locals relax on wide steps by the Rhine, enjoying the sun and river views. The promenade links the historic Old Town with the modern MedienHafen, blending past and future. Grab a coffee at a riverside cafe, watch boats glide by, or just soak in the peaceful atmosphere. It's the city's living room, perfect for people watching or catching a stunning sunset. The changing skyline tells Dusseldorf's story in every step. It's a must for any visit. Next we hit the Königsallee, known as the Co, a boulevard of luxury and elegance. A tree-lined canal runs through the center, flanked by designer boutiques and stylish cafes. Even if you're not shopping, it's perfect for people watching and soaking up Dusseldorf's fashionable vibe. The Co is both sophisticated and relaxed, a place to stroll under chestnut trees and admire grand architecture. It's the city's fashion heartbeat and a true highlight. Don't miss it. Now let's leap into the future at MedienHafen, Dusseldorf's ultra-modern media harbor. Once an industrial port, it's now an architectural playground with bold, twisting buildings, especially Frank Gehry's iconic designs. Old warehouses stand beside futuristic towers, creating a striking contrast. The area buzzes with creative energy, home to trendy restaurants, bars, and media companies. Come for dinner with a harbor view, stay for the nightlife. MedienHafen is where Dusseldorf's innovative spirit shines. It's a testament to the city's ability to reinvent itself. Art lovers, don't miss the Kunstsammlung Nordrhein-Westfalen, the state's premier art collection. Split between two buildings, K20 for 20th century masters like Picasso and Klee, and K21 for cutting-edge contemporary art. Marvel at masterpieces, then experience Thomas Saraceno's In Orbit, a giant suspended net you can actually climb. It's art you feel, not just see. The collection is world-class and inspiring. Lose yourself in creativity for an afternoon. Dusseldorf's art scene is truly unforgettable. Need a fairy tale escape? Head to Schloss Benrath, a stunning pink Rococo palace in southern Dusseldorf. Its elegant rooms and manicured gardens are perfect for a peaceful stroll. Wander from formal flower beds to sprawling parkland with ancient trees and quiet canals. The palace is a tranquil retreat from city life, blending history and nature. Recharge and soak in the beauty. It's pure magic. Surprise! Dusseldorf is home to one of Europe's largest Japanese communities. In the Japanese Quarter, especially Immermannstrasse, you'll find authentic ramen shops, sushi bars, and Japanese bakeries. Browse manga bookstores, discover unique shops, and experience Japanese culture right in Germany. Every year, Japan Day brings fireworks and festivities, celebrating this vibrant community. It's a delicious, multicultural adventure. Come hungry and curious. The Japanese Quarter adds a unique flavor to Dusseldorf. And that's our whirlwind tour of Dusseldorf. From historic pubs to futuristic harbors, this city is full of surprises and charm. I hope you're inspired to visit and make your own memories here. If you enjoyed this journey, like, subscribe, and share your favorite Dusseldorf spots in the comments. Until next time, stay hungry for adventure.